All right, 3S coming at you. Just having some fun out here today. Whatever I got left in my stock shock. Whoa, okay. That's how we bust the shocks, definitely. I mean, that's what you do to break shocks. That was perfect. Nice. Oh my God. That wasn't a good landing. We gotta be destroying the shocks by now. Jesus. Nice. Fix that one at the last second. Okay, that's not good. Well, we bent this shock, so I think we're done for now. I slammed it into something, and we ripped the screws out, and we broke the eyelet. Great. And I cut myself, so that's this session, guys. All right, it's been another wonderful bashing with yours truly. Another nice time breaking our shocks. We love the jump. Everything went well. Come to me when you need to know how to break the shocks in a Arrma 223s Typhon 8 scale, and I will show you exactly how to break these shocks, okay? No problem. Gonna build a ramp like this and send it as far as possible off of it, and it's pretty easy. So, all right, thank you, everybody. See you in the next video. Oh yeah. Well, when people tell you that RC car driving is safe, RC cars are a safe hobby, don't believe them. Don't trust them. You saw what I did. I just tried to unbend the shock and I ripped it right out of the screw holder and broke the top eyelet and slashed my knuckle. So, yeah, ridiculous. Be careful out there, everyone, with your RC car. Be very careful, because this is what happens. All right, since I ripped the shock out, it's kind of funny, barehandedly by accident. I have the other old shock here, so I'm pretty sure I can just exchange this top piece and put the correct bottom piece in the shaft and the eyelet and put the oil in like a shot glass for a second and just get a shock working again so I can still use this thing, because I can't believe we didn't break this shock. It still works great. Took some many nasty hits, so I must commend this awesome car. I love this car so much. It's so fun. So let me do that. Let me fix this thing. First thing I'm gonna do is take all the stuff off. Okay, so we bent this shock shaft. I'm just gonna bend it back quickly. I'm just using a needle nose pliers to spin this little thing right here, the top oil cap. We're gonna remove this, remove the oil, and then just swap the parts. All right, cap off, cool. We're gonna put this on this one. Let's do that. A little comes out, it's okay, because we just wanna top it off. And this one I can put the old cap on and seal it up and have two broken parts together for the future. I'm gonna pull the oil of the broken one into the one that's not broken and top it off. Probably about there. And the broken one we'll put the broken piece into. And now we'll put the good one into the good one. And get our shock back. Yay. I'm so happy I can do this. Alright, we got the shock back again. Yay. We're not out of business yet. Yes, we've got our suspension back. Alright, the wing did great, didn't it? Awesome. Sweet. So yeah, I'm gonna do what I gotta do to keep this thing going. Probably gonna get some more stock shocks and some stock shock parts soon, just to keep a group of shocks around and exchange all the parts like this, so I can just keep on breaking stuff. I'll get better. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See you in the next one.